Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway C Box Break. This is for the 2013-2014 Panini Royale Box Break number 14. Here's the last amount for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box it's any 206 354 334. That's any 206 354 334. Now here we go. Good luck, everybody. And red parallel rookie of Eric Selleck for the Panthers, 3/99. And we got an Heirs to the Throne jersey card for the Canucks of Jordan Schroeder. Got a scratch in the surface autograph card for the Canadians of Jared Tenorti. We got a rookie autograph card of Derek Grant. It is numbered 10/99 for the Senators. And last pack. We got a Lords of the NHL Prime Jersey 24/25 for the Canucks of Daniel Zadine. We have base and base to finish off the break. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.